أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, and unparalleled imams, dear participant guests, my beloved teacher and priest, especially the youths of Wabek. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am honored to be standing in the presence of you with full energy. First of all, I would like to thank to those people who organized this marvelous occasion with purpose to make unity of the youth of Wabek from disunity. And multifarious thanks the holy youngster of Wabek who participated in one place from different kinds of area. I never forget this wonderful occasion and memory now to my last breath, as well as giving me a chance to deliver a speech regarding what is unity. Unity is a great power. It fills our life with a strength and happiness. You know, unity makes a group and anything strong. What do you want to do in life? Being united means that despite our difference, we are able to work as one. When people are united, they help each other. There's mutual support in cooperation. There are encouragements. When people are united, they share certain things all together. They have a common goal, have a shared vision, and have a shared understanding. So I request to every youth of Wabek to be united from disunity, to work for human beings all together. We are all familiar with saying, a stick in a bundle are unbreakable. It indeed becomes difficult to break a bundle of a stick altogether. The challenging task is to remain as a group, handle together when something or someone tries to break you. Unity is a way of living. It is the way people are connected. Not always through blood relations, but through concrete spirit. Unity is oneness among people of different classes and creeds and religions. Unity becomes one of the major causes of development of a country and society. Dear youth of Wabek, always remember one thing in your whole life. To maintain the unity should be firm trust among people, and the impossible looking things can be done with the power of unity. It reduces the soreness of our tough times and increase the happiness in our good times. Unity makes us feel brave and ready to tackle with hardship in life. Thank you very much for hearing my speech.